Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Bhaskara Yoga. Bhaskara Yoga is also a very powerful yoga. Bhaskara Yoga gets formed in such a combination from Mercury, Sun, Moon and Jupiter. In a combination, when these planets are placed in such a position which creates Bhaskara Yoga. Let's study in detail. Bhaskara Yoga in Vedic astrology. When Mercury is placed in house number 2 from Sun, Moon is in 11th from Mercury and Jupiter in Trine from Moon. In this case, Bhaskara Yoga gets formed. For example, Sun placed in the 2nd house, Mercury is placed in the 4th house, which is 2nd from the Sun. Moon is placed in 2nd house, which is 11th from the Mercury. Moon and Jupiter are placed in the 2nd house, and in this case, from Moon, Jupiter is in Trine house, making very beautiful combination of Bhaskara Yoga. Here, along with Bhaskara Yoga, Gajakesari Yoga is also forming, which gives auspicious result to the native. In this scenario, the native will gain from investments. The native will acquire immovable assets. The native will have good relation with mother and will get support from mother. The native will be lucky and spiritual. In this yoga, as applicable in all yogas, the malefic aspect should not be there in those houses and concerned planets, else its result will take modified from or are not visible if malefic aspect is stronger. Mean to say, if the malefic aspects on the planet is there, then the results will be not favorable. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone can reach me through the website for the consultation purpose, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.